Okay. Hi there. Whoop. Get out of the way. Alright. Got my shutoffs here. All this crap that I put in a while back. And as of now, I'm actually using it. This is the UV system. That I bought. Currently it's telling me it's not safe enough to drink the water. So this little shutoff valve, I've had to set into manual because it keeps trying to kill the water. What's up, buddy? I almost cross-threaded this unit here, putting this back in, but I didn't. It's got a bit of a leak now, so I don't know about that. It's a little drip now and then. Might be okay. Pressure's good. So, yeah. Everything's alright. Other than this. But that's because I've never used it. And it's got all the crud baked in there from before. I'm not sure if you can see in the video here. That little thing is spinning. Can you tell? Yeah, see? So that's actually a little wiper arm inside the housing that's supposed to scrape off all the gunk and keep it clean. So put that back on. There. And now over here, my humidifier, I've got it jury rigged here, is humidifying. See that spinning? I had to do all this. And run some tubing and do some wiring. So yeah, there it goes. A little spill. You need to put a drain line on. Okay. That's it for now. Right, buddy?